Hey, welcome back to lesson number 2. So, this is where we left off in the last lesson. So, we'll continue from here, and in this lesson, we're gonna be fixing the windows and the door. Okay, here to the panel layout and going to top view for selecting faces. First of all, let us go to face mode and here to the panel layout to create windows. Now here I'll extrude all selected faces. Now let's just duplicate top face to create top of the windows. Well, that's it. And here we get shape of the windows for a building. Now it's time for the borders for the doors. Let's just create the doors in the same way as windows by selecting faces and then duplicating them and creating top of the door. And here we get that all structure of windows and door. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I would draw the aluminum profile, the frame for this particular. So to do that, let's start with a cube to make shape for the frame. We first duplicate the cube and adjust it. And then going to mesh, boolean, and yes, difference. And here we get the frame for the door. Adjusting the pivot point by pressing key D on the keyboard and now key V to adjust it accordingly. Now let's duplicate the frames and place it on the positions of every door. And adjust all frames according to the size of the door. So here it's done. Well, now creating door, and for that I'll need a cube. Adding S-loop for making the door like shape. Here it is. And now let's just create handle of the door, and for that we'll need a polygon cylinder here. Let's just make door's handle. And now adjust the pivot point. So here is our door. Here I'll duplicate it and adjust it all accordingly. Okay, it's all done. Wow, looking nice. Well, now let's create glass for windows. And for that, again taking a cube here, and let's just create windows. Now, here I'll assign the material to the glass to make our work easier to do. And here we get all that. So, this is all our architecture building created using 2D floor plan, and yes, of course, it's looking amazing and beautiful. Come into the next lesson where I'll continue texturing and improve it until we get to the final one. So, thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next lesson. Take care.